Hi everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update software on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the General Settings. Tap on the Software Update option. If you have any update, you can see the Update Now option. Tap on it to begin the process. Then, enter your passcode to confirm the update. Your software update will start and your iPhone will install the latest version. And this is how you can update software on iPhone. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.